Now, if you choose the wrong Google My Business category, you're basically telling Google to ignore you. Now, choosing the right category for your GMB account is one of the biggest factors that decide whether your business shows up in local searches or gets buried under competitors. Google needs a clear signal about what you do so that it knows where exactly to put you and how to put you in front of the right people at the right time. One of the key Google My Business ranking factors is choosing the right categories for your GMB account. Now, get this right and customers will find you. Get it wrong and they will find someone else. And since your GMB profile is essentially your digital storefront, it's often the first thing people see when they search for your business or services. That makes choosing the right categories for your GMB in 2025 a very crucial thing, or it plays a very crucial role in all of this. It gives potential customers quick access to your contact details, business hours, website, and even Google reviews, all within Google search and maps. A well-optimized GMB profile, including choosing the right categories for your business, will build trust, improve visibility, and drive more traffic to your business, making it one of the most powerful tools for local SEO. Now, I will not be covering how to set up or verify your GMB profile here, but over at Retail Learning Hub, I've put together an extensive step-by-step guide that walks you through everything you need to know. So you can check it out, and I'll be leaving a link in the description below. Think of it like this. If you walk into a bookstore looking for mystery novels, right, but all the books are randomly categorized, you'll probably leave in frustration. The same thing happens when businesses fail to select the right categories. Google simply does not know where to place them in search results, and that's why getting your Google My Business categories right is not just a suggestion, it's a must if you want to be found by the right customers. If you get this one step wrong, you will miss out on thousands of potential customers who are actively searching for services that you offer. Now, let's quickly get to how you choose the right categories for your GMB account. Google allows businesses to choose one primary category and multiple secondary categories. The key here is to strategically select categories that describe your business accurately while maximizing visibility. So let's go. Primary category. Now, this is your main business focus. Your primary category is the most important one. It tells Google what your business is at its core. So say, for example, right, a plumber should select plumber instead of general term like home services. A coffee shop should select coffee shop instead of just restaurant, right? Now, your primary category directly impacts what kind of searches your business appears for. If you choose the wrong one, you will not rank for the searches that actually matter. Now, as you can see on my screen, I'm selecting a primary category right now, so I need you to pay attention, all right, to the options that Google provides. Sometimes similar sounding categories can have completely different ranking effects. So you have to be very careful when choosing one, right? But if your business focus changes, or if you initially picked the wrong primary category, can you update it? The answer is yes. If you expanded your services or are narrowing in on a more specific niche, choosing a more relevant primary category can help Google better connect you with the right audience and improve your local SEO. However, changing your primary category is not without risk. It can temporarily affect your rankings as Google reassesses your GMB business profile. But don't panic, all right? This is a normal part of the process, and your rankings should stabilize within a few weeks. And let's quickly get to how to change your primary category if that's something you want to do. First of all, of course, you log into your business, your Google business profile, which is your GMB business account. Click on the left-hand menu, all right? Look on the left-hand menu and you click on Edit Profile. Then you click on Business Category under your business details, all right? Then choose your new primary category. You'll see a list of available categories. Just select the category that best represents your business. Now make sure that it's as specific as possible to increase your chances of ranking higher, right? So the second thing you're going to do is then add your secondary category. That's assuming that you have chosen the primary category that you love and the one that works best for your business, right? Secondary categories basically further clarifies what your business offers, but I don't want you to go overboard with that, all right? Include only categories that are relevant to your business. Then the next thing you're going to do is save changes. Now, once you've selected a new primary category, click save to update your profile. Now, let's dwell on secondary category themselves. Okay. These are the additional services that you offer, while the primary category, of course, defines your core business. Now, the secondary categories help Google understand what other services that you provide. For example, if you're a plumber who also offers water heater installation and repair, or sewer services, or if you're a digital marketing agency, you may add SEO services or website design. All right. A dentist may add cosmetic dentistry or emergency dental services. Now, do not select irrelevant categories just to rank for more searches. Google may penalize your listing if you list services you do not actually provide. Now, on my screen, I'm showing you how to add multiple secondary categories and how to check which categories apply to your business type. Now, let's quickly get to another, subtopic under this, which is how to spy on your competitors' category. All right. Now, if you ever wondered why your competitors rank higher than you, the answer is often hidden in their Google My Business categories. Now, how do you uncover their strategy and use it to your advantage? Step one, you want to use GMB everywhere. All right, the Chrome extension of it, or plepper.com. Right now, these tools basically allow you to see the exact Google My Business categories that your competitors are using. Okay, now simply enter a competitor's business name and it will show you their primary and secondary categories. Step two is to identify trends among top ranking businesses. Now, if you look at, you can look at 3 to 5 competitors who rank in the local, in the local snack pack. All right, that's the top 3 businesses on Google Maps. All right, then take note of the most common categories that they use. Compare them with yours in your own categories, and see if you are missing any relevant ones. Okay. Then step 3, update your GMB categories if needed. If you find that all the competitors are using a category that you missed, consider adding it if it also accurately describes your services. Now, I want you to remember this. All right, Google allows up to 10 categories per business, so make sure to fully optimize your listing. And now let's quickly go ahead to do a little practical. I want you to watch as I analyze top ranking competitors and break down the category choices that help them dominate search results. Now, to choose a category, you would basically go through the exact steps I outlined earlier on when I was talking about how to change your categories, right? Yes, and that's it. Now, choosing the right categories for your GMB business account might seem like a small step, but it's a huge factor in getting your business found by the right people. So take the time to get it right, and you'll see the difference in your rankings and customer inquiries. But GMB is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about getting more leads, sales, and visibility, then SEO is not optional. A key part of that is understanding Google My Business ranking factors, like choosing the right categories for your GMB account. When done right, this puts you, of course, in front of people at the right time, bringing in consistent traffic, more inquiries, and paying customers without relying, totally on ads. All right. But here's the thing: guessing will not give you results. You need proven systems that work. That's exactly what I've built inside Rotel Learning Hub. Now, after 8 years of SEO, with 8 years of being in SEO and helping over 8,000 businesses with over 6,000 reviews, raving reviews to show for it, I've tested, I've refined, and I've perfected the strategies that drive real results. And now I'm sharing them with you in step-by-step courses designed to help you rank higher, attract more customers, and grow your business the right way. It would also interest you to know that in there, I also talked about how you can also start an agency just like ours, all right, and scale it into a 6-figure business. Now, inside Rotel Learning Hub, you'll get beginner-friendly courses to build a strong SEO foundation, advanced strategies to dominate Google search and Google Maps, all right, a proven system to generate more leads and scale your business. I need you to check the link in the description to access the courses and start getting real results today. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, give it a share. All right, share with others who need to see this, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips and strategies. And of course, hit that notification bell so so that you never miss an update. I remain Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo, a stay-at-home mom of two and an SEO consultant who co-owns a six-figure digital marketing agency. I make content around faith, family, and marketing strategies for business growth. So if that's something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video like I earlier said, and don't forget to follow me on all social platforms. I also make great content over there on Instagram and TikTok. Also, I have a profitable blog that goes in depth into all of the things that I believe in. You want to check that out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.